Well, good morning. We are currently at Sandy's Donuts. There's Caleb back there. He is joining me on this rebuild. So is Chadron. He is still buying donuts at the moment. So we are headed to Max, North Dakota. We are going to be tearing apart an SDX drill, and we're bringing the brackets back to get machined. We have some Williston guys. I believe 2 of them will be meeting us there to help us tear it apart. So we appreciate their help. We're gonna hopefully knock this one out really fast, because guess what? We got another one we're going to in Midland, South Dakota right after. So we're in for a long haul this weekend. We're looking forward to it. We got some nice weather, so we thought we'd take advantage of it and do a couple of rebuilds. So more to come soon. Hey guys, quick update. So we just got to the job here and all the guys are digging in and starting to work right away. So here's the drill we're doing. Caleb and marking all the rows. Yeah, so time to get dirty. Hey guys, another update here. We're about an hour and a half into it and things are going smooth. We're having very good success on getting those pins out. No cutting so far. Middle roll is causing a few more issues. Yo, what's the word of the day?
Well, it's going pretty fast. I think it's going pretty good, actually.
It's a phrase, not a word. It's set. All units are officially off. Now we're working on getting the old bushings right here, the old bushings out of these arms and the spacers, and you can see here, you can really see it, we reinstalled our new ones here. That's good. What are you doing?
Trying to pound all these bushings out, but they don't want to come.
And how are you pounding bushings?
Well, pretty much I use a chisel to get through the plastic sleeve that's in the middle. And if you can catch the edge of one bushing, you can usually hammer it out. But there's some corrosion in there, and sometimes it's hard to catch that edge, and the chisel just slips past. If you can get one bushing out, then the other one's easy.
So how's it coming for you guys?
It's fine.
Fine?
We get this plastic piece cut into 3 pieces and apply it out.
So you've got a different process going on. Say that again?
Well, since it's plastic, you can get it out of the way. I'll just try to get it out of there. Chisel it in the thirds. Get all the pieces dropped out, and then you clean off your edge, and so you have an edge. You sharpen your chisel and smack her, and hope we don't take a big chunk out of the floor every time.
I suppose enough talking. There's more bushings to be pounded out. We got everything we can do today done. We got all the roll units off. We got the brackets loaded up. We got the old bushings and sleeve out, and we got the new ones installed. So we will be coming back in a few days whenever we get the brackets back from machining. Caleb, you wrapping up in the last few bushing installs here?
Yep, just a few left.
So just those there, and then where are we headed next?
Midland, South Dakota.
Everything went smooth, too smooth it seemed like, but hey, that's a good thing. No stuck pins, no cutting involved whatsoever. They all popped right out. The longest portion was getting the old bushings and sleeves out. I think it was a record. Gil, I think this was a record for how fast we did this, huh? Don't you agree? I think it's a new record. About 4:30, 5 hours. All right, so we wrapped up day 1 of the rebuild. We'll be coming back later next week to finish it up. But we had Dan and Ben with us today from Williston. Just want to thank you guys for coming out. We appreciate the help. You guys were awesome. We knocked it out, got it done. So On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst, 10 being the best, how do you guys think it went for your first time?
I enjoyed it, I guess.
It's a 10 always.
Yeah.
You know, it's
I know.
We'll get some better tools for punching out some.
Alright.
I didn't get stabbed. I didn't get crushed.
No one got
No
injured.
one got hurt. That's
Sun's shining. That tractor looks pretty awesome.
Yeah, it does.
All right.
Absolutely. Alright, thank you guys. Safe
Yeah.
travels. Have a good one. Hey guys. So, I'm indulging in a donut at the moment. We did a great job. We knocked it out. What are you laughing at? We knocked it out in 5.5 hours. That's a record. I'd like to see someone beat that. We got the crew here. There's Chattern up there. Say hi, Chattern. Hello. There's Caleb up there driving. Don't be distracted. Watch the road. Oh, there's a car. Alright. So, backed up, got the trailer behind us, and we're going to be heading to Midland, South Dakota to visit Lee Briggs. And we will be installing all his stainless on his cart. He's doing a full stainless rebuild, 3-tank on a 1910 John Deere air cart. Tubes, everything, the whole works. It is going to be looking mighty fine when we get done with it tomorrow. So tonight, still don't know where we're staying, but just driving to Bismarck, get some food in our bellies, and then continue driving. But I thought we were going to be staying out doing these rebuilds at least until late Saturday into early Sunday, but we hammered this one out. Here we go. Good morning. We get up an hour earlier than I was expecting and head over to Midland. Well, I'm sure we'll be thanking them later, but right now we have mixed feelings. Hey guys, so we just made it to Midland, South Dakota. We are on Lee's farm here. Got a trailer, truck. Caleb's in the truck watching class right now. That's where I'm supposed to be, so I'm gonna make this quick. I'll show you what we're working on today. So we're doing a full 3-tank rebuild on his 1910 John Deere air cart. He is also gonna be doing his drill, but we are waiting on some parts, so we're not starting that here. Chattern is going to be getting a head start on tearing apart some of the stuff as we watch our class. But here's a look at it before. So as you can see, it is pretty corroded out, especially on the pipe, so we're gonna put all new stainless tubes on there for him. It's gonna be looking nice. You can see the back tank is where the fertilizer ran through, so might have some difficulties there pulling it out. So we got everything stripped, we got all the old tubes removed, and we are so fortunate that we did not have a single tube, can't really see that there, single tube break off in the ladder there. All 3 tanks miraculously dropped out, so that means it's time to hang the new stuff. So we successfully have 2 funnel elements up mounted in the tanks. Chattern up there.
Yep.
Say hi.
Hello.
He's working on tightening up the bolts there. And then we're gonna move on to the last and final front tank. Get the funnel element in there. And then it's go time for the top plates. Let's go check on what we got going on with Caleb in here. What are you doing hiding out in here?
Well, I'm putting the agitators and the agitator rod in the meter housings.
Awesome. He's prepping the meter housings for when we get the top plates mounted. As you can see here, here's one that's already complete. Looking good. We're making good progress. Still a lot of work to do, but hey, from here we're putting stuff up. It's gonna start looking good. Farmer should be happy, so let's get it. So we finished up on the stainless part of this rebuild, and now Chadron and Caleb, right before we leave here, what are you guys doing?
Oh, we're inspecting these roll units, looking for bad disc bearings, and making sure that the depth adjusters work like they should.
He is doing a drill rebuild too. Sometime next month or early April, he will be doing his drill. But in the meantime, we had all the stainless parts and we had a free weekend, so we thought we'd come out, get an early jump start so we have less to do come spring. And wow, look at that. 3-tank rebuild, Ramafa meter housings, all new stainless tubes from top to bottom. So yeah, all cleaned up here. Everything went well. Ran into very minor roadblocks. We got through those right away. But now it's time. We finished early enough, so we are going to bite the bullet, and we're going to do the 6.5 hour drive back to Fargo.
Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe below.
Our goal is to help farmers keep on farming. If what you saw would help you in your operation, contact us today.
God bless.